Okay, this little Beco is like a alley. So this is the Beco of Ilha Verde, which is the Green Island. So you can see this is a marginal, the Green Island right here. All these buildings everywhere. And over there, that's actually kind of like the heart of, that's like a lot of tall buildings kind of near the border. We're also near the border right now too. But we're gonna put this up on the map and then we're gonna walk towards those buildings. But then it stops right there in the industrial area. So let me put this up on the map, Beco de Ilha Verde. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so we're gonna walk down this way. This is kind of an industrial area. So yeah, that is all part of Macau, and that's also part of Macau down that way as well. That one is like there's a waterway there, and then over there is actually a border called Qing Mao, all the way down that way. So we're gonna walk down it and then just kind of see what we can see here. I think it's gonna be quite industrial, as you can see already. But I am trying to document all the different streets in Macau and what they look like. So we'll walk down it nonetheless and kind of take a look. Very, very industrial. So I think we can actually go down this way, and then I think we have to go left down that way. And I think it's going to be mostly like factories and stuff like that. So let me see here. I think that's actually a factory right here. So I think that would be the end, and I think that's all factories right there. So I think that's a security guard. So anyways, kind of a short little Beco. Not all of them are that big, but this is another slice of Green Island for us anyways. And I think I'm gonna end the video right there.